Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a drone tour of the Issa building on Hope Road. Now this building is in the heart of the Golden Triangle. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this building. In the heart of Kingston's prestigious Golden Triangle district, the Issa building on Hope Road emerges as a thoughtfully designed commercial complex that blends modern aesthetics with strategic real estate ambition. Developed by Issa Construction, a firm with deep roots in Jamaica's building and property sectors, this project represents not only an investment in bricks and mortar but also a statement of faith in the enduring value of Kingston's urban core. The Issa building is located at the intersection of Hope Road and Hope Close, placing it within one of Kingston's most desirable and accessible commercial corridors. This area is home to embassies, financial institutions, international agencies, and a mix of upper-income residential neighborhoods, making it an ideal setting for a premium office complex. Proximity to Halfway Tree and New Kingston provides excellent foot and vehicular traffic, while the Golden Triangle's reputation lends prestige to any tenant or investor seeking visibility and credibility. From an urban planning standpoint, the project capitalizes on the trend towards mixed-use and pedestrian-friendly developments. The building is designed with a courtyard, garden spaces, and a mural wall, a rare fusion of architecture and public art that offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal. These elements signal a shift away from the sterile corporate boxes towards more welcoming community-integrated office environments. The building itself spans approximately 18,000 square feet over 3 levels. The first 2 floors are designed for office space, targeting traditional, stable companies in sectors such as finance, law, or international development. The third floor uniquely was designed with the flexibility to serve as an entertainment space, a small hospitality venue, or an executive-level meeting area, offering potential for boutique events, client entertainment, or even rooftop-style concepts. One of the most forward-thinking features of the Issa building is its 75-space underground parking facility. In Kingston, where parking shortages are a frequent source of frustration, this addition not only boosts convenience but also preserves the above-ground footprint for landscaping and pedestrian use. This type of planning reflects international best practices in urban design and aligns with green building principles, even though formal certification. Alright guys, that is the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. It's a very nice building. Leave your comments in the section below. Now to the left of this building, that's the Citibank building, and then at the top of the screen that is a 10th floor building. I think it's 80 HR or 45 HR. I can't remember the exact name, but it's a 10th floor commercial building. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.